So we find ourselves in an era where buying and selling online is like an everyday thing now. Okay, so you just hop on the net, visit your Instagram shops, your Twitter stores, Tonaton, GG. You find a product, you ask for it to be delivered, you make your payment. As convenient as it sounds, it also comes with its own issues. I mean, it gets frustrating when some sellers demand for payments before delivery. I know how it feels like when after some few hours you find fault with whatever you purchased, or I mean, you get to realize that this is not what you wanted actually. But I mean, you already paid for it. So a few weeks ago, I came across this mobile app. I would say it's the safest payment application in Ghana. So I say the safest because it eliminates all fraudulent activities or trust issues that comes with buying and selling online. I mean, it acts as the middleman between the buyer and the seller. So let's get to really understand how this app works.
Here's all you need to know about MoveSecure. MoveSecure is Ghana's first mobile money escrow payment service. This service ensures that both buyer and seller are protected throughout the exchange experience. For vendors, you get to see payment has been made for your service even before you deliver an order. As a customer, get your money back if the wrong order is delivered or in the case of an attempted scam. Both parties can raise disputes right from the app or by dialing *718*8#. Amazing, right? Just dial *718*8# now. You can also download the Move Ghana app from App Store or Play Store.
I think this is super dope. So I'm buying a product online, I make payment to the seller, but the money actually doesn't get to the seller. It goes into what we call the escrow account. The seller is notified that payment has been made to him. After I confirm whatever products I ordered for and it's in good shape, money is transferred to the seller. Like super cool. So to get the application, you just walk to the Play Store or the App Store and search for MoveGH. So we are doing that right now. MoveGH. Yeah, the first one. So we have the app downloaded now. So we open the application. So the first thing you want to do as a new user is to sign up. So you click on sign up, enter your first name. So Manuel, my surname. Then click on next. Click on the network and add the mobile number. So my number is 0. Then you add your email and click on next. Your preferred pin, so you enter your pin. Since I've already signed up and have an account with this application, it says user already exists, like you can see on the screen. So I'll just go ahead and sign in. So one thing I also like about the application is very user friendly. It's not cumbersome. I mean, it's neat and simple. So as you can see, the other services this app provides, you can buy airtime and data, you can buy insurance, you can pay your bills. So for the focus of this video, we click on the second option, which is the MoveSecure. Yeah, and from there you can choose whether you are the buyer or the merchant. So on that page you can see make payments, pending confirmations, dispute center, history. So in case there's any misunderstanding between the buyer and the seller, you guys come to the dispute center and get it resolved. So if you do a lot of buying and selling online, this is an application you should really consider. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and the like button. Also hit the notification bell to be notified. What did I say?